So this is my third lesson here at the Glock store. Just one more to go, and doing okay, Matt, so far, right?
Absolutely, man.
That's good. I understand that Brett has already had his third lesson, and so he's one. How did he get ahead of me in the? What's going on here?
That was a tactical move by him, man.
Yeah.
You know, he planned it out and orchestrated it perfectly.
So what are we going to do today? What's on the agenda for me today?
Okay.
Which Brett apparently has already done.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to just touch back on what we've been doing, just all the basics of drawing and all that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take that and we're going to turn it into movement. It's called getting off the X. We're going to draw and move at the same time and shoot. And then we're going to do movement across the whole floor. We're going to teach you how to actually move across the floor and shoot while you're moving. In long strides. You're going to love it. Good Lord, I created a monster. Look at this, boys and girls. Move.
Started here and ended up here. That's good.
Nope, I love it. That's great. That's going to work really well. Perfect score.
That is a confidence builder right there. Okay, so 3 lessons down, 1 to go, and Matt, I feel pretty good. How did I do? Was it all right tonight?
You know what, man? I'm super impressed. You did a really good job. You unfettered your
You're
mind.
under oath, really?
Oh, well, in that case.
Well,
No, you actually did a really good job, man. It all came together in the end, and you stuck it.
so what's next?
So what we're going to do on that last run is we are going to take everything we've learned, and we are just going to pound it over and over and over again. We're going to put the whole thing together, tie everything together, and it's about repetitions.
Go through a lot of metal.
we're gonna definitely spend some lead, my man. I'm looking forward to it, actually.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Yeah, man.
In it to win it. Brett, you're on.
Boom.